Okay, here. An enemy student from University of Jupiter got very poor scores from the two quizzes given by Professor Brightmind. He was so frustrated that he theorized the following. So yan, sahin nyo na lang yan. As intervention, he borrowed 100,000 from his friend at 16.5% effective interest to be paid at 6 equal monthly payments starting from 1 month from the loan. Okay, what is the monthly amortization? So the formula is just P is equal to A 1 minus 1 plus I to the negative N over I. Now the H here is you have to convert this formula yung 16.5% interest, so it's 1 plus the monthly divided by raised to 12 is equal to 1 plus 16.5% and solve for M. So that is the 12th root of 1 plus 16.5%, okay, minus 1. This is your monthly interest stored to M already, so this is stored to M, and then compute this. Okay, of course this is 100,000, so compute 1 minus 1 plus M raised to the negative 6 over M. Okay, store it to B, so this is stored into B, and therefore your A, okay, your A is just what? Your A will just be equal to 100,000 divided by B. So that is 100,000 divided by B. So the answer is 17,421.73. Next, here, a man bought a house and lot with a 30% down payment equivalent to 350,000. So 0.3x is equal to 300,000. So you can solve for x, that is 300,000 divided by 0.3. Okay, since you pay the down payment, okay, so the actual cost will be just 0.7 of x. So 350,000 divided by 0.3, and then the actual cost is times 0.7. Okay, this will give you, let's store it to F. Okay, so I stored this to F. This is the principal, and then you will have to convert because this amortized monthly, so you have to convert again the interest rate, that is the 12th root of 1.06 minus 1. This is your what? This is your monthly interest. 12th root of 1.06 minus 1. Store it to M. Okay, and therefore the monthly amortization is F is equal to 1 minus 1 plus M raised to D, that is how many years? That is how many years? The 15 times 12 divided by what? Divided by M. Okay, so alright, that is your what? That is your amortization A. So you're looking now for A. So compute that. That is 1 minus 1 plus M raised to the what? raised to negative 15 times 12 divided by m. Okay, store it to b, and then that f divided by b gives you the answer. So the amortization is 6822. This is the answer. Okay. Store that to a. Alright, what will be the present worth of all the 5 years payment? So it will be a times 1 minus 1 plus m to the negative, this time is already 5 times 12 is 60 over m. This will be the present worth. So that will be what? Okay, I stored it already. A times 1 minus 1 plus m raised to the negative 60 over m gives you 354,201 or 202. This is now the present worth of, okay, the present worth of all the what? All the 5-year payments. 5-year payments, 354,000. Okay. Next is here. A man is saving 5,000 per month in a bank with interest of what? 12% compounded quarterly. How much can he get after 10 years? So you will have to convert first that interest. 1 plus 0.12 divided by 4 raised to the 4 should be equal to 1 plus m raised to the 12. So to compute that m, that will be what? That will be the 12th root of 1.03. Okay, then minus 1. That's story to m, and the future worth is just equal to a 1 plus m. Alright, how many years? That is 10, 120 minus 1 over m. So that gives you 5,000 times 1 plus m, okay, raised to the what? That is 120. Okay, minus 1 over m. Okay, wait, that's 5,000. Wait, that's 5,000. Alright, I made a mistake dun sa ano. This is the 12th root of 1.03 raised to the 4th pala kasi quarter, no. 12th root of 1.03 raised to the 4th, okay, minus 1. Okay, store it to m and compute 5,000 times 1 plus m raised to the 120 minus 1 over m. Okay, the answer is 114,000. Let's letter this number, 1,142,000. Okay, ito, a man bought a house and lot with a 30% down. Ito pareho pa rin yung kaninang problem, except pareho yung 6% effective, no? Except that he had paid for 5 years and decided to pay the remaining balance at the end of the last 5th year installment. What is the balance? Let's compute again the EMA. That is the 12th root. Okay, the 12th root of 1.06. Okay, minus 1. Store it to M. So, okay. So, ngayon, ito yung ang amount ng utang is, I think it's stored to F. It's stored to F. F pa rin. That is, ito pa rin yung utang. F. Yan yung utang. That is F. And then, after 5 years, so this is 60 months, magi-interest pa rin yan. That is F times 1 plus M to the 60. Okay? And then, in future work mo ng lahat ng A is A times 1 plus M raised to the 60 minus 1 over M. Yung difference nito will be yung difference nito will be the what? Will be the value. It will be what? F times 1 plus M raised to the 60, okay, minus A, yung hinulog mo A times what? 1 plus M raised to the 60 minus 1 over M. Okay, so ito pa rin ang utang mo, 6,18882.17. Okay, so yan pa rin yung utang.